Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Ddakji. I'm going to show you how to make the paper flippy things from Squid Game. In honor of Squid Game Season 2, I want to make something that I never made before, or what you guys never made before, or even played, because we're not in South Korea. And without further ado, let's get crafting. Boom! First, you'll need not one, but 2 sheets of paper to make the Ddakji. First, flip your paper over like a hot dog halfway, then flatten it. Next, fold the top half down like a hot dog bun and flatten it as well. Lastly, fold the bottom half on top of the top half and flatten it too. Next, fold the top right corner of the paper flat into a triangle and fold the bottom left corner too. Grab your second paper and rinse or repeat the other steps I just taught. Stack the pieces on top of each other and fold the triangle patterns into corners. Then tuck the second piece under the first corner. Then fold the bottom corner and tuck in the third corner onto the second corner. It's not perfect, I know, but with some practice and hopefully not a lot of paper being used, you could get master of making this and even playing the game as well. I already made these in advance so that way I could play the game for myself to see what it's like and hopefully I win. But let's give it a try to see if the game actually works. Let's see how many times I could try winning this game. This game is harder than I thought. The only good thing about that game is that the recruiter wasn't next to me, slapping me senselessly so many times. And even if he was there, my cheek would be rosy red right around here. He would be all like, bah, 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 as I kept losing the game. So shout out to Squid Game Season 2. It's already on Netflix for those who haven't watched it. Whether you love it or hate it, I think it's a good season so far, and it has a lot of twists and turns as you progress through the whole season. And the 3rd season is coming out this summer, and I can't wait for that, and I know you guys are too. Alright, that's it for the video. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure you subscribe down below, and I'll be back with another one soon, and I hope you all have a good day. Bye!